Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad, and today is Stock Lock Sunday, so thought I'd participate. If you're interested in lock sport, you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, or you can check me out on Discord or Extraordinary League of Pickers, or on UKLP, which is Lock Picker and Lock Sport on Facebook. And if you like to see on my channel, you want to see some more, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, as I make 2-3 videos per week, from picking locks to challenge locks to lock tutorials to all types of lock stuff related, really. And I've got a very small package to open as well. There it is. It's like tiny, but it's going to be cool. So we are going to attempt to pick this beautiful brass round American that I so much kindly got from Mad Hatter. The scratch is now buffed out the back. It says set US M261C. Absolute gorgeous lock. Really, really nice. And make sure it's in the rubbers, because I certainly don't want to wreck the finish, especially now I buffed it and took that scratch out. There you go. I think that's enough. Is that what? Need a pry bar, and going to use a Trackmaster 30 pick. I have not touched this lock at all, not tried to pick it once, so this is a first for me. That keyway, yeah, there we go. Now, like typical American locks, I wonder if it's got any security pins in it. We've got a little drop of the core then. There's a possibility I'm going to need a deeper hook. Sorry, my fingers was in the way then. Bring it over there a little bit. There you go. Yeah, let's try Bobby Keys hook. That has got a really deep keyway, and we're slipping. I have to go even deeper hook than that. I've got a super deep hook from Daz Evers. That's a gorgeous pick. That's if it'll fit in. Seems like it does. No, I'm having trouble with that. Right, so let's go back to a super deep hook that I have. Oh no, wait a minute. I got this Bobby Keys actually. There's another deep hook, but it has a funky little point on the back of it that really helps me to locate the pins. getting some nice clicks, but there's something definitely not right. Nothing wrong with the lock. It's just the keyway is so wide on this. It's giving me really loose feedback. I don't think there's any spills on it. I get a little bit of counter on 4. Definitely oh, I'm oversetting. Right, I know I overset 3 then. So I'll leave 3 alone. A little bit of counter then. Well, this is definitely a tough little bugger. Ooh. It's not open, but we've got a massive fault set. There's a feel. It's not 5. 4. It's definitely not 1. Oh, and there we go. Bloody hell. I got proper thumb ache from that. That's like 10 minutes, well, 8 minutes to pick that. Wow, and we are open. That was really, really cool. I enjoyed that. I'm actually glad it was fairly tricky. I mean, the bitter's not too bad either, but that was awesome. Absolutely awesome. Works spot on. Well, I enjoyed doing that. Stock Lock Sunday. And obviously, I'm going to make sure I rotate so we end up with doing the stock locks that we was going to do anyway. Make sure they show up on a Sunday as well. But yeah, that was an awesome pick. I really enjoyed that. That was a tough little bugger. Thank you, Mad Hatter, for sending it me. Oh, before we get off, I've got this little parcel. Show you. Now, I've opened it, but I don't know what's in it. So, ooh, besides we've got some. Wow, not there, made near me. We have a note. I've sent a couple of parcels out to other people. It's just letting me know that he sent the other people's parcels, but I won't mention names till they get them. Yeah, from Noob this is, by the way. Oh, that's in here. Oh, cool. Oh, wow. Yeah, man. A bullet bottle opener, and it belongs to a Durex. It sounds like Durex. Wow. Not too bad bitting as well, isn't it? Let's have a look. Oh, this is the key. The lock it belongs to. Ooh, works really smooth. Oh, bloody hell, dropping it things there. Oh, what's this? Oh. Oh. Thank you very much, Ash, my friend. I really did want one of these. I need one of these up on my board. I've got to rearrange these ones as well. But yes, thank you very much for them stickers. Bullet bottle opener keyring. That's obviously what is there. And this is what's just intriguing me. It's got a little Sparrows box. And knowing Noob, what have we got? I know what we've got. We have got is bullet ones. I can see like 9mm. We've got shotguns, pellet, rifle bullet, hollow point. That is awesome. So he sent me a set. So obviously he did the design, and Sparrows made them for him. And he sent me a set. That is fantastic. Thank you very much, Noob, my friend. Absolutely awesome of you. Love the stickers. Thank you very much for them. And this lock. This is very cool. And this bottle opener. That is awesome, that. That is very, very cool. I was like, yes. See, do you know what? That other kick cylinder, actually, I can test your pins and see what they're like in it. That should be cool, that. Oh, well, thank you very much, Noob, my friend. I absolutely appreciate this. This is a great little parcel. But yes, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like and check out Noob and Mad Hatter.